Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KAIO token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, KAIO is an institutional grade blockchain protocol designed to tokenize and distribute regulated real world assets RWA investment funds on chain, bridging traditional finance TradeFi and decentralized finance DeFi purpose-built for RWAs. It provides compliant infrastructure for major assets managers like BlackRock and Braven Howard to issue tokenized funds. Multi-chain technology. The protocol operates across over 10 high-performance blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, and Aptos for broad accessibility. Community-first tokenomics. Its KAIO token has a fixed 10 billion supply with 37.5% allocated to the community, incentives and governance promoting decentralized growth. KAIO project institutional rating is 3.9. KAIO token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supplies around 681.25 million KAIO token. KAIO token is listed on Coinbase, KuCoin, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.